Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to use enums inside of functions. So I've already covered enum basics, but this is a bit different. So using enums inside of functions is very useful if you're working in a large team or organization. Then you don't want people to accidentally use a function wrong, so enums can be used to prevent that, and I'll show you guys how to do it. So we're just going to be making a function which is going to change the background color, and let's have a variable called color. And if we were defining it a usual way, we just make color a string, and then we could do UI color, but let's pretend we're doing it as a string. So then what you'd have to do is you'd have to use a bunch of if statements. If color is equal to red, self.background color, self.view.background color equals .red, else if color is equal to blue, self.view.background color equals .blue, else if color equals to green, self.view.background color equals green. Okay, and then if you wanted to call this function, you'd have to do something like change background color and then manually type the color in, so like red. And first of all, you can just see there's a lot of places where this could go wrong. Like for example, if user did red with a capital R, then this would suddenly not work. Or if user wanted to do something like purple, it wouldn't be able to change it since there's no option for purple. So yeah, there's a lot of room for error, and for someone who hasn't written this function, they wouldn't know if purple would work or not, or if you do capital letters. So that's where enums come in. So if we just define an enum here called available colors, and we set it to type string, now we can set a bunch of cases. So we can set a case for red, set a case for green, and set a case for blue. I'm just going to put blue there. So now what we can see is instead of saying color as a string, we can do color as type available color. I'm just going to bracket that out, and now instead of using strings, you'll see that they all give fails. Instead of that, we can just do if color is equal to .red and .blue and .green, and this is actually a lot more reliable. So now if I try and change this, call this function again, you can see that if you click dot, we actually only have 3 options. So you can either select blue, green, or red. Okay, and there's no room for error like a capital G, trying to put purple in if it's not there, because none of that would work since there's only 3 options. And not on the iPod Touch. If we just run this now, we should just get the correct result, because yeah, so that was just an example of how you can use enums inside a function. See, it changes to green. But yeah, you can use it so you don't have to specify how to use a function, less room for error. And I'd always recommend using enums for a specific function if it can only take a specific amount of values. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!